Hello, in this lesson we will learn how to display multiple videos using a for loop. Let's download a project first. On the current lesson page, select Attachments, click the file and save it to your Downloads folder. Once downloaded, unzip the file and open the project. Click Trust and Open. OK. First, let's display one video. Inside this tag, create a player view with video parameter, type dot, and choose the capital video. OK, now we see our single video in the preview. If you don't see it, press on the play button right here. Next, let's make it scrollable. And to make it scrollable, above the player view, let's create a scroll view. Add an opening curly brace, and if you press enter, Xcode will automatically insert the closing brace. To make player view scrollable, we should place it inside scroll view area, and everything inside the scroll view will be able to scroll. So let's put player view inside scroll view area. Now, if you try to scroll, you will see that we are able to scroll our single video. Okay, to display multiple videos, let's create one more player view inside the scroll view. Player view with video parameter. Again, press dot and choose the climbing video. Now we can see two videos appearing in our preview, and if we add a third player view with dance video, now it's 3 videos. But what if we have a lot of videos, for example 10, 20s or 100 and more? Instead of duplicating our code, we can use an array to store our videos. So let's start by understanding what an array is and how to create one. Well, an array is like a list that can hold multiple items in the order you put them in. In Swift, to define an array, you need to start with keyword let, then give your array a name, for example videos, add a colon after the name to specify the type. And you should specify the type of items with square brackets, and inside these square brackets, let's type video name. Okay, add space equals, space again, and use square brackets to indicate that you are creating an array. To put the items inside the square brackets, you should type dot, and as we do before, choose the available video. Let's select capital. And to add more, simply add a comma, then type dot again, choose climbing, comma, dot again, choose the dance video, karate video, and skating, smoke. Typing like this isn't a mistake, but I prefer to add a space after each comma to make it easy to read. So add as many videos as you want. In Swift, you need to put spaces between keywords, otherwise there will be an error. For example, this is not correct, and Xcode will show an error stating that equals must have consistent white space on both sides. You can click Fix, and it will resolve the error by adding a space. Now that we have our array of videos, we will use for each loop to create a player view for each video. In SwiftUI, for each is a special view that lets you create multiple views based on data. It's like a loop that goes through each item in a list and creates a view for it. You can use for each when you have a list of items, for example, videos, and you want to display each one on the screen. It's useful for repeated content in your app's user interface. A for loop is a way to repeat an action for each item in a list. Let's see the example. Let's delete our player views in scroll view and create for each. Add round braces, and for each accept parameter as an array, so we should place the videos array inside the round braces of the for each loop. So put videos inside those round braces. Then type the opening brace, press enter, and let's give a name for repeating item from the list, like video, and add the in keyword. Let's create player view with video parameter and pass a video from for each loop inside this player view. Now for each will repeat through the videos array and create a player view for each video. Let's see what happens in the preview. So as you can see, you can now scroll and view all the videos we added to our array. And when you scroll, you might notice those white bars on top and on bottom and between the videos. That's due to the color white. To confirm this, let's try changing them to red. Now it's become red. Let's make it look nice and change them to black. Great, it looks awesome. Now let's try to make the scroll behave like TikTok. And to do this, we just need to set the behavior for our scroll view. And after scroll view closing brace, type dot and type scroll target behavior and type dot choose paging style, and this property is a swipe paging style. Let's check it out. It looks great. Now our app scrolls like TikTok. And that's all for today. In the next video, we will learn how to add interactive buttons. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.